fuck your bitch.
Set your mind to you sort of bullshit. Coming fake hair, fake nails, fake eyes too. Ain't nothing hard about it. Why you looking sad? Should've thought about it. Say you learned, not truly doubt it. I guess you got a problem with affection, kinda lose with the love. Getting freaky with the thug niggas up in the club. Has to buy you a drink, you holler dumb in the club. Hit her still out here with me. Plus you was smiling to the bill. Miss a job if you wanna be rich. I let you kiss me where it hurts. Me and you getting busy singing dick in the dirt.
Կապեր, վենիկել բանդաշնի խծած, աղբեր ոչ մի չորնի գուներ մետալիկ փչած, աղբեր դեմի պահնիշ լիքը մի քիչ չծած, աղբեր 92 թիվ սպարտիվնի ծուրինգած, հայաթում կայնած դուրը կիսաբաց, տեղեքով լրված, մուզիկեն կոքած, բաներից լոք շծավ, ոչ եմ տեղեքով նստանք, մարդը հազար կծմանք, բենզին առանք
Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. See when I'm stunting, I flesh is supposed to be button. Push the whips and me rolling. You can tell that I'm hungry. I'm just doing my thing. You know the doing the gang. I got my grimy shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me off your ass and feel a lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some bad. About to show these knuckleheads how to do this here. Ooh yeah, new year, next phase begin. Look who's got you going crazy again. I'm a trend, I set one every time I'm in. I go out and just come back full circle again. You were fad, that means something that we already had. But once you're gone, you don't come back. Met you at a pool party, it was cool to kick it. See it's tongue kissing, you was truly with it. Little ecstasy, Hennessy mixed with me. Picture me, paper pussy when the dick's for free. Hey now, where my niggas at? Tell these hoes before I pay. I jerk off word to Moses. Give me room all up in the womb, call the cops. Hitting off to them bastard drop. Label me Machiavelli Doug, nigga with pipe. Rock stars Friday night. Pussy always keep a page, a cell phone in the ride to complete my nature now.
Rocket taps to the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it. Spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies. For parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy. To grow to praise me, I'm making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic I'm sick on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. I sing songs to retaliate. Fight music.
Shady. Yeah.
You can do anything you set your mind to, man.